Hey, Kathleen here. I'm reviewing this Luggex hard-sided suitcase with a computer compartment. It's got a TSA approved lock. You can lock both the computer compartment and you can lock the compartment with your clothes. It spins really nicely on these 4 caster wheels, 360 degrees, and the telescoping handle works super well, easy to use. So let's look inside. This is the computer area. So you can flip this down. You can even have this stay up more if you didn't want it to go all the way to the ground. You just need to use these little zippered areas here. This is lightly padded for a computer and for an iPad. You could not really fit a 17-inch computer in here. One other cool thing is that you can attach a battery here, a little power supply battery, and you can use this for a USB-C, USB-A charging portal. So that's really cool. You can put some things here, I would say maybe a notebook, pencils, and things like that. You would really need to store your mouse and your power cord, power cable inside, because this really won't close with those in here unless you've got, they're really super thin. Mine aren't, so that wouldn't close. So let's look inside. So there's good capacity in here. This is a 36.1 liter suitcase, and that includes the computer area. So you've got a good amount of space here. Remember, this is going to be able to expand another 2 inches by just unzipping this little expansion area, and you get another 2 inches that you can use for clothing or whatever you want to put in here. So it gives you another 15% capacity here. This side is for, you know, undergarments, maybe some toiletries, and on this side you could put a jacket, shoes, maybe a hair dryer. This is where you're going to store your computer on the other side of this. So it does take up a little bit of capacity, but 36.1 liters that expands out to 42 liters is very decent in terms of capacity. Plus, because it has the computer area on it, makes it a really nice choice for anyone who travels with their computer. A really good option.